You also have the service mode. Service is really important for calibration. If the arm has been moved, then you can actually calibrate here in 3 different ways. You can coordinate calibrate, you can lift calibrate, and you can vision calibrate. For coordinate calibration, you won't be able to do it on this SampleJet at the moment. What we need to do is we need to put a filled rack in each of the 5 rack positions, and then it will tell you before you coordinate calibrate to remove any samples in the open shop on the outside ring. Lift calibration actually calibrates the lift in and out of the BST, and vision calibration is for making sure that your QR code reader in your grabber is working correctly. I've never had to recalibrate the vision since I've had these SampleJets put in. Gas pressure, I would ask Bruker to help you with that.